Hard wax vs soft wax, which is better? Hard wax grips hair without sticking to the skin, reducing pain. Soft wax is better for large areas, but can cause more irritation. Hard wax is preferred for sensitive areas like the bikini line. What to look for in a high-quality waxing kit includes pre-wax and post-wax care for smooth results. Comes with spatulas and strips for easy application. Contains skin-friendly, hypoallergenic ingredients. Why number 1 will shock you? What sets it apart? It contains calming essential oils to prevent redness, heats up quickly, and maintains a consistent temperature. Perfect for beginners, easy to apply and remove. The best waxing kit for sensitive skin uses aloe vera and chamomile to soothe irritation, formulated with low-temperature melting wax to prevent burns. Free from parabens, artificial fragrances, and harsh chemicals, the most beginner-friendly waxing kit comes with detailed step-by-step instructions for easy use, includes a pre-wax oil to prep the skin properly, provides removal strips designed to minimize pain. The best waxing kit for coarse hair. Uses a high-grip wax formula for thick and stubborn hair, melts at optimal temperature to stick better, works well for bikini, underarms, and legs. Fastest waxing kit gets smooth skin in minutes. Wax heats up in under 5 minutes for quick application, spreads evenly for smooth, full coverage waxing. Removes hair in a single pull, reducing pain and irritation. The most affordable waxing kit with salon-quality results. Offers great value with the full starter kit. Uses professional-grade wax beads for lasting results. Comes with reusable applicators to reduce waste. Best waxing kit for travel and on-the-go use. Compact size makes it perfect for packing. No need for a wax heater. Microwavable formula. Includes soothing aftercare wipes to calm skin. Best fragrance-free waxing kit for sensitive skin. Avoids artificial scents that cause irritation. Made with natural ingredients for skin-friendly hair removal. Amended for allergy-prone skin types. Best eco-friendly waxing kit uses biodegradable wax beads for sustainable beauty. Comes with wooden spatulas instead of plastic. Packaging is 100% recyclable and environmentally safe. Waxing kit with the best aftercare products includes a cooling gel to prevent redness. Comes with post-wax oil to remove wax residue. Infused with tea tree oil to prevent ingrown hairs. Longest lasting waxing kit results up to 6 weeks. Uses a deep root extraction formula for extended results. Contains natural resin to grip hair better. Removes even the shortest hairs for a long-lasting, smooth finish. Most pain-free waxing kit for beginners, specially formulated for a low pain experience. Includes a numbing pre-wax serum for comfort. Comes with stretchable wax strips to grip hair efficiently. Best waxing kit for bikini line precision. Designed for delicate and small areas. Comes with precision applicators for accuracy. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more.